Hey guys, Chris Stream here, and welcome to another Rubik's Cube video. And on this video, we're gonna be learning how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First notation. Number one, a Rubik's Cube like this, what you'd call a Rubik's Cube, technically isn't a Rubik's Cube. It is a cube that it's a twisty puzzle. And this over here, this is a Rubik's Cube. It has a Rubik's brand, therefore, this is a Rubik's Cube. These are by different brands. I have multiple different brands of Rubik's Cubes, all made by different people. But everyone would call them technically a Rubik's Cube. But if you want to get into cubing, I suggest you just call them cubes. Next thing, you gotta learn the turns. So, a turn would be like you have letters that turn certain sides. So this is an R, which is turning the right side clockwise. So we have R's. Then we have L's, left side clockwise. U, up, clockwise. D, down, clockwise. B, back, clockwise. Yeah. And then F for front, clockwise. Then there's also ones for turning them backwards. R primes. A prime just means like turning that side counterclockwise. So we got R prime, U prime, L prime, F prime, D prime, B prime. Then there's twos. So we got R2, U2, L2, and I think you get the picture. So that's another thing. Then you got algorithms. Algorithms is a sequence of different things. Also, to do a 2, you just put a 2 after the number. And then prime is with these little dashes under them. Alright, so now that you understand that, so yeah, algorithm is a sequence of numbers and things that mean certain turns. So first, to solve a Rubik's Cube, what you need to do is you got to do the sunflower. To do that, this is the beginner's method. To do that, you got to get all the white edge pieces to the centerpiece. So we already have one white edge piece to the yellow centerpiece, because on a normal thing, you'd have yellow up, green front, and white bottom. So you want to have the white. All right, so here's another white one. So we want to do an R. Now it is at the top, so we have 2. Here's another one. To do this one, you gotta do an F or an F prime, depending on which one you want. Now it is here. Now, to get this into one of them, you've gotta turn the side that's empty onto the one that matches up to. So now this is empty, this is a white, R, now it's here. Then we got one on the bottom. This is already lined up with the one that needs to go to, so just do L2. Boom. Now we have our yellow sunflower. Next, you want to find the other side of the edge pieces. This side is white, so this side is going to be orange. So you want to rotate the bottom until you find an orange piece, orange core. Then you want to do a F2. Then we got another edge piece that is already lined up with this green, so U2. This one is blue, so you got to turn the bottom until you got blue. F2. We got a red piece. Line that up with the red. F2. Now we have a complete cross on the bottom that lines up with all the corners. Next thing you want to do is you want to get all the corners in. So here's one of the corners. You want to only do the ones with white for now. White. So since this one's already into place, to get it out, you want to do an R, U, R prime. Now you have it. So this one has green and orange. Here we have the green and orange sides. So this side is on the right side. The white is on the right. So you want to grab the left side, match it up with its color, then do the same algorithm. R, U, R prime. Alright. Now we got that edge piece in. Here's another one. It is in the wrong place. R, U, R prime. Its sides are red and blue, but this time the white is on the left side. So what you want to do is choose the other side, match it up with the thing. Now you're going to be doing L prime, U prime, R, L. Alright, so now we got 2 in place. Let's find the next one. We got one over here. This side is green and red, so I'm going to bring it to the green and red corner. Here's the problem. It is on the top. So what you want to do is put it on the right side. Do the algorithm once. Do it again. Now you have it on the right side. So you turn it back. You have it lined up again. Now you have 3. Here's the other one. Red and blue. Take it to the red and blue side. Bam. I'm gonna do the algorithm. Done. Now we have the entire bottom and layer done. Next, you want to do the edge of the edge pieces of the bottom layer. To do these ones, first you choose an edge piece you want to do. So you want to find one that does not have yellow on it. So this one has green and orange. First, we focus on this bottom piece, the orange. So we're going to turn it until it's matched up with the orange. Now we find the side that has green on it. This is the green one. So for the left side, to turn it left, because you want to turn it like that. To do that, you want to do this algorithm. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. Now it is in the right place. We're going to find another edge piece. This one is green and red. Find it till it's matched up with its green. Choose the side that has red on it. That's the left side. So I'm going to do that same algorithm. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. Wait. Okay, there we go. Yeah, just do that algorithm. Alright, so now we have those 2 edges. We gotta find another edge. This one. Blue, orange. Match up the bottom with the orange side. This is the blue side, so you want to turn it that way. You want to do a different algorithm. U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. Now we got that edge piece in. There's only one edge piece left. Let's find it over here. Blue and red. Put the blue side to its core. It is red. You want to move it here to this red side. You want to turn it like that. So I want to do U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. Now we have the entire first 2 layers done. Congratulations, you have finished most of the cube. But that was the easy part, sorry to say. Next, we need to do, normally you would match up these ones, but since that isn't like that, let me just, okay. So, this is, okay. This is now, next we need to do the yellow plus. To do that, if there is another algorithm for this. So when there's a 3 like this, if there's only 1, you want to do this algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. But I'm not going to do that because I have 3. If you have 3, you want to make it to where it's like this, like a backwards L. Once you have that, you want to do the algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now you have a line. Do the same algorithm with the line sideways to you like this. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now we have the plus. Next, you want to line up the plus pieces with the thing. So first, look at the bottom. We have orange, blue, green, and red. Only the orange one matches up. You want to keep going until you have 2 matched up. So do U prime. Now you want to look. Got these 2 are matched up and the other 2 are not. So now that I do this, we have another algorithm. So you always want the second one over here. If you always want it on your right side. So for this, you got to do an algorithm. R, U, R prime. Wait, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now, wait, never mind, sorry. You do a R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, U. Wait, what? What's happening? Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Okay, no. Okay, so you're supposed to have it on the back and to your right. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, U. There we go. So now that we have all these in the right places, also if you have two but they're on opposite sides of each other, do the same one with one of them on the back and one of them on the front. So since we now have all the edge pieces lined up, next you want to do the corner pieces. So for the corner pieces, you want to first choose a corner. So this one is already done. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this algorithm. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. What that does, it just mixes all of them around except the one right here. If you don't have one already in the right place, just choose a random one until you have one in place. So once you have one in place, always put it on this side and keep doing that algorithm. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R, prime, U prime, L. Okay, so now we have two in place. In fact, all of them are in place. And these two already have the yellow up. If the yellow isn't up, you always want to do this. Grab the piece you're wanting to turn on this bottom right again. You're going to do a little confusing algorithm that's very small, very quick, but it may look like it's just messing up the cube. But just keep going on with it and it'll work. R prime, D prime, R, D. Do it again. R prime, D prime, R, R, D. Now this side's the thing. It looks like it's messed up. Ignore that. Turn the top until you have your next non-turn one. R prime, D prime, R, D. Keep doing it until it's fixed. Boom. Now you just got to turn the top. Cube solved. If you weren't able to solve the cube by now, just rewatch the video. So thanks for watching today's video. Click the subscribe and like button if you enjoyed it. Turn on all post notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.